Did you do it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, I don't know why it's any of your business.
Well, you have been talking about it for over a month.
Okay, first of all, it hasn't been a month. The last time I saw you was at Brian's baby shower. And second, I opened my home to you to stay for the weekend, not to be giving me unsolicited advice. And third, I was going to break up with him the other day, but then Gabe tripped and sliced open his knee, and I didn't think it'd be appropriate to, break up with him in the emergency room in the middle of the night. So,
Sarah, Gabe could be fucking half from New York and you'd still be making excuses how not to break up with him.
I just don't know how people do it, We've been together for 3 years, and I was with him when his mother died, and I taught his nephew how to tie his shoes.
Okay, everyone dies. Everyone learns how to tie their shoes. You're not Mother Teresa. Okay. Okay. Do it.
Now?
Yeah, now. Do it.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm holding my phone.
You're holding the phone.
I am unlocking my phone. I am dialing his number. It's ringing. It's ringing. It's ringing. Yes, it's ringing. It's ringing. It's ringing. And I'm waiting. And Gabe. Hey. I just need to say something. Yeah, I've been thinking about it for a while, and I think it's over between us. It's over between. Okay, no worries. Catch you later.